Number 9 asks us to find the measure of angle A. Now, you might wonder how we're going to do that with the information that we've been given here. Well, actually, consecutive angles in a parallelogram add up to 180 degrees. This is a property of parallelograms. Consecutive angles add up to 180 degrees. So I know that angle A, that's 6x plus 20, plus angle D, that 4x plus 10, has to add up to 180 degrees. So now we can just combine like terms. 6x plus 4x gives us 10x. 20 plus 10 gives us 30. That all adds up to 180. We subtract 30. We end up with 10x equals 150. Divide by 10, and x equals 15. But that's not what we're asked for. We are actually asked for the measure of angle A. So be careful here, because if you got A, or if you got 15, you might have selected A. They're asking for the measure of angle A. You have to plug that value back in for x. 6 times 15 plus 20. So 6 times 15 is going to give us 90 plus 20 would give us 110 for the measure of angle A.